Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a PDF to your Mailchimp campaign. Mailchimp handles files differently than regular email, so you won't be attaching a PDF in the traditional sense. Instead, you'll upload your PDF directly to Mailchimp's Content Studio. This process generates a unique web address for your document. Then, you'll simply link to this address from within your email content, making it accessible to your subscribers. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account and find the Content Studio, which is your central hub for all uploaded files. Here, you'll click the Upload button and select your PDF document from your device. It's important to remember that your PDF must be 10 megabytes or less to upload successfully. Once uploaded, Mailchimp securely hosts your file and automatically generates a unique web address for it, ready for use in your campaigns. Now, let's integrate your PDF into an email campaign. Within the Mailchimp email builder, you can add a text link, a prominent button, or even an image that links to your document. When configuring the link, select File as the link type. Then, simply choose your recently uploaded PDF from the Content Studio. When your subscribers click this link, they will be directed to view or download your PDF, providing easy access to your valuable content. Before sending your campaign, always perform a thorough test of your PDF link to ensure it functions correctly. For a better user experience, consider setting the link to open in a new browser tab, keeping your email open. Use clear and concise call-to-action text, like "Download our guide," so subscribers know exactly what to expect. Remember, Mailchimp also provides valuable tracking data on who clicks your linked files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.